Administration, administrative reforms of Alauddin Khilji. है ना? Administrative reforms of Alauddin Khilji. And the first point was that the old structure was maintained with some value additions. And the first value addition of this man was emphasis on the functional part of administration. Functional part, functional. And I gave you the example about the functional part, that he comes out with market policy. But he not only makes a policy, he creates a proper administrative structure for that policy. Diwan-e-Riyasat, and then market presidents and balids. So when you pay attention on the functional part of administration, definitely it is going to work. In the past 30 years of India, if you see 1991 to 2014 especially, government has done so many things for the people. If your parents are in administration, just ask them. And government has done so many things for minorities, Muslims. 90% people has got nothing from government policies. 90%. Who has become rich? The middlemen. The leaders of communities. Brahmin Mahasabha leader, Kshatriya Mahasabha leader, Muslim Mahasabha leader. And the people are still suffering. Past 30 years. It's not that past 30 years were in waste. India has took a lead in the past 30 years after globalization, but basic reforms were missing. The story which was started by Nehru, 5-year plans, industrialization, agricultural economy, did not get overhauling after 1991. You see, cornflakes to Boeing. Cornflakes to Boeing. We are importing everything outside India. At least cornflakes, toothpaste, shoe polish, shoes, at least. Functional part. Then his second was managerial control. Very important aspect of administration. Managerial control. Managerial control, which included, again the example, market policy, Diwan-e-Riyasat at the top, then market presidents and balids. But he was aware about the human psychology. So, Bunyas. And along with Bunyas, his personal interest. I told you the story of Alauddin sending a small child to buy 1 kg of rice. And third, selection of capable personalities. Selection of capable personalities. You know, when you sit with a person, you get affected by the vibration of a person. Every person is a magnet. You see, enlightened people, Generally, they don't allow anyone to come closer. Every person is a magnet, either having negative powers, negative vibration, or having positive vibrations. When you sit with a person, you not only enjoy his words, you enjoy his vibrations also. There will be many instances where a person sitting in front of you is talking useless things, but you are enjoying his company. Sometimes the person is talking about Gita, Bible, Quran, and people are sleeping. Words are not important. Vibrations are important. That is why in every religion, Sangat is a very important point. Sangat means company. Mosque was created for this formula, Sangat. Sangat, very important factor in life. Sangat, company. Temple was created, mosque was created, church was created, Gurdwara was created to provide Sangat of the people of same psychology. यहाँ भगवान थोड़ी है. There is no God in temple, mosque, church and Gurdwara. They were the places created to invite the people of similar psychology. To create an aura. 100 people are sitting. 100 people are picking up the gun and running on the border. 101 will also run. 102 will also run. He knew the art of selecting the right people. Yaqub Khan, the chief of Diwan-e-Riyasat. Malik Kafur given the command of the army. Zafar Khan, the Ghazi Malik, the in charge of northwestern frontier. This was the first step. Value addition in administration. Second step. Absolute despotism. Absolute despotism and state based on the power of the standing army. Power of the standing army. He is the first sultan. He is the first sultan to create the standing army. All the data is given in NCERT. The strength of his army, the salary and all is important. You have to note it down. You have to note down first sultan to create the standing army. Strength of the army. Salary. Then a specific feature, Dag and Chehra. Dag. Dag and Chehra. Barney hates Alauddin. Barney is a pure Maulana, na? Barney is a pure Maulana, pure. अब यार राजा है तो लड़ाई में तो मरेंगे ही, कुछ ना कुछ बुरा तो होगा ही. और जिसे तुम बुरा कहते हो उसे मैं राजधर्म कहता हूं. ऐसे तो कृष्ण की भी हत्या हुई थी. If you say like this, तो कृष्ण की भी हत्या हुई. राम को जल समाधि लेनी पड़ी. आ रही है सर. ये तो राजधर्म है. You haven't seen Gangs of Wasipur Part 2? Ramadhir Singh finally sits on the commode with the hands up. He stayed based on the principle of absolute despotism. And from where this absolute despotism comes? Standing army. He is the first sultan to create the standing army. Strength of the army, salary of the army, specific feature, Dag and Chehra. Now what people used to do, we all are, Indians are fraud. All of us. All of us. All of us. Indians are frauds. And when I say Indians, include Pakistan and Bangladesh both. किसी की डिग्री कम है, किसी की ज्यादा है, हम सभी फ्रॉड हैं. हम सब में जो बेनोवेलेंट फ्रॉड है वो महान है, वो भगवान है. ब्राइवरी इज इन आवर कल्चर. भगवान शादी करा दो, 501 रुपए का प्रसाद चढ़ा देंगे. तो तुम्हारे 501 के लिए भगवान मारा जा रहा है. चद्दर चढ़ा देंगे. There are certain things which are in Indian culture. So now I got the employment. I got the employment in the these standing army. Instead of me, I used to send my slave as a soldier. So Chehra, complete information about the soldiers. And routine checkup was done for this. Dag, royal branding of the horses. The people used to take the horse, royal horse, Iraqi horse from the army, the state. And then they used to exchange with their mule. So Dag means branding of the horses. Chehra means branding of information about the soldier. And routine checkup was done for this Dag and Chehra. This was the second point. Absolute despotism on the support of the royal army. Standing army. Third feature of his administrative reforms. Policy to curb the revolt of the nobles. Policy to curb the revolt of the nobles and amirs. मुझे रात में अकेले टहलने में बड़ा डर लगता है. रात में मुझे अकेले टहलने में बड़ा डर लगता है. मुझे अपना पास्ट याद आता है. कुछ चीजें जब आप जिंदगी में करके रखते हो ना. He got the wealth and he revolted against Jalaluddin Khilji. He not only revolted against Jalaluddin Khilji, he killed Jalaluddin Khilji. So he was very clear that wealth is the root cause of all the evil. Wealth is the root cause of all the evil. You write the complete statement. Alauddin was very clear that wealth is the root cause of all the evil. So, as he was very well, he had done it. उसने खुद किया था. The first step he takes, ban on liquor and liquor parties. इसको खुद शराब का बड़ा शौक था. Liquor and liquor parties. Later on he did relaxation in the sale of liquor because liquor will always provide huge revenue in India. Second, restriction on social interaction of nobles. Restriction on social interaction of nobles. Through revenue policy, trying to extract the surplus from the nobles and amirs. Through the taxation policy, trying to extract the surplus from nobles and amirs. Which department was established by him to take out all the surplus of the nobles and emirs on a very pragmatic issue? Diwan-e-Mustak Raj. Diwan-e-Mustak Raj. The area department. Mustak Raj. Area. Whatever balance is pending on nobles, खींच लो. और पेंडिंग नहीं है तो दिखा दो. Fourth, pragmatic politician. Pragmatic or practical approach. Emphasis on secular principles. Don't write secularism. Emphasis on secular principles. And this is evident when Barney calls his period as the period of Jahandari. Secular principles. Emphasis on secular principles. Barney calls his period as the period of Jahandari. इस्लामिक स्टेट बनने से सबसे ज्यादा फायदा मौलानाओं को है. Maulanas always dream for Islamic state, always. Saints, they also dream for Islamic state. But there is this Islamic state is, I told you if you remember, Khalistani state, Hindu Raj, Islamic state. So there are two versions. One version is a Maulana version. Pakistan is the example. Second version, Saint version. 80% people is living on conscious. Conscious does not require money for its entertainment, enjoyment and happiness. Kabir, wo kahan paisa chahiye? The man closes his eyes and gets connected with this universe. पैसा चाहिए when you want enjoyment from senses. सुंदर सुंदर स्त्रियां चाहिए, अच्छा अच्छा खाना चाहिए, अच्छा कपड़ा चाहिए, राडो की वॉच चाहिए. वॉच यार मुझे भी पसंद है. आई एम सॉरी फॉर दैट. दुनिया में दो चीजों का बड़ा नशा है मुझे. नशा इन द सेंस कि बस अच्छी दिखाई पड़ जाए तो लेना ही लेना है. एक एडिडास के शूज और दूसरा वॉच. तो मेरी एक शेल्फ है उसमें वॉच ही है बस. और इतना दे देता हूं तब भी, पर वॉच बहुत पसंद है. Emphasis on secular principles. I have narrated the story of Qazi of Bayana. मौलाना इसको बड़ी गाली देते हैं. You will never find any Muslim Maulana today also appreciating Alauddin Khilji. Today also. I was so many Maulana. Alauddin Khilji का नाम थोड़ा बदतमीज आदमी था भाई साहब. और चारित्रिक थोड़ा सा चारित्रिक ठीक नहीं था. चारित्रिक क्या करोगे जानकर, बेटी एक शादी करनी है? नहीं, चरित्र उसका थोड़ा ठीक नहीं था. अप्राकृतिक सेक्स करता था. अप्राकृतिक मालिक काफुर को रखा था. तो उसकी मार्केट पॉलिसी आज तक इट्स अ वंडर ऑफ दैट एज एंड टुडे आल्सो इट सरप्राइजेस एवरी हिस्टोरियन. तुमको सेक्स दिखाई पड़ता है? He had a political dominance on 3/4 of Indian subcontinent. He was illiterate. पढ़ा होगा जेल मेहता में. People refused talking to him on the grounds that he is illiterate. He became silent for a year. He studied. He learned Persian, Arabic, and then he read all the important books. He comes to the court and discusses with all the intellectuals of the court. बेवकूफ आदमी है. चले आए, अप्राकृतिक सेक्स करता था, नालायक. हिंदुओं ने ये बड़ा अच्छा काम किया. This is the very good part of Hindus. They never supported anyone who misbehaved with any other religion. No. And this is a very wrong aspect of Muslims. Shashank, the ruler of Bengal, he cuts down the Bodhi tree. But rarity of rare, you will find Hindus appreciating Shashank. Rarity of rare, you will find Hindus appreciating Shashank. He was a Shaivite. पर कौन सही है कौन गलत है इसके लिए ज्ञान होना बहुत जरूरी है. Barni is a Maulana. His statement should not be taken so seriously. So, practical approach. Emphasis on secular principles. Promotion to Indian Muslims in administration. Malik Kafur was one of them. So, old wine in a new bottle. Administrative reforms. First thing, value addition. Second thing, absolute despotism on the basis of standing army. Third, steps to control nobles and amirs. Fourth, practical approach of administration. Practical approach of administration. Alauddin Khilji. Financial policy, market policy, financial policy, market policy. Third, Mongol policy, theory of kingship, Khilji imperialism, administrative reforms. And in this way, Alauddin succeeds in constructing a palace. Palace on the foundation laid by Iltutmish and Balban. Iltutmish and Balban. ये तीनों एक ही लोग होते हैं. Insane, addict, and ambitious. At one point of time, you'll feel that a person is insane. So मैं घर में बैठता था पहले, तो people used to say, my relatives and all, थोड़ा सा है. My brother was beating his son to prepare for SSC. His son called me कि चाचा पापा कह रहे SSC की तैयारी करो और आप कह रहे थे विधायकी की तैयारी करो. हाँ, हमने कहा कि पापा मार रहे थे कि दुश्मनी है हमारा, दुश्मन है हमारा, वो तुमको बर्बाद कर रहा है. हमने कहा बेटा मर्जी तुम्हारी है, कहीं वो पागल है. Insanity, addiction and ambition, they are same. If you find anything missing in a person, they are the three ratnas of dangerous people. तो बड़ा खतरनाक हो गए ना, उनके तीन रत्न है: नशा, पागलपन और महत्वाकांक्षा. जिसमें से वो शराब को सबसे कमजोर नशा मानते हैं। लिकर इज द वीकेस्ट इंटॉक्सिकेंट, इसलिए मजदूरों में बहुत चढ़ती है। पैसा आ गया, 3/4 of Indian subcontinent he was ruling. So he said one day, Alauddin Khilji, he said ki I want to start my own religion. Who? Alauddin. He said I want to start my own religion. Muhammad Sahab had 4 friends. I also have 4 best friends. And I want to start my own religion. No one was in a situation to oppose him. Everyone knew. And then the nobles in the court, they came and said to Alaul Mulk, sir, you are very close to him. You can only handle the situation. Alaul Mulk said, Acha. Alaul Mulk said to Alauddin Khilji, yaar, you want to start a religion? Very good. There is a person living in the vicinity of Delhi, Nizamuddin Aulia. Nizamuddin Aulia. He says the people of Delhi are mad beyond this person. If you convince him for your religion and he accepts it, you will become successful. He said, okay, fine. Who will invite? He said, call Nizamuddin Aulia. Arey bole, there is no need to call. Yeah, Amir Khusro. He is the disciple of Nizamuddin Aulia. Arey bole, very good yaar. Khilji called Amir Khusro. Your guru Aulia? Said, yes sir. Call him in the court. Aulia said, sure sir. I'll call him. Next day Aulia goes and says to Nizamuddin Aulia, Sultan has called you. Aulia said, which Sultan? Arey bole, Alauddin. Arey bole, Alauddin. There are only 2 sultans in this world. Who is this idiot? Go and tell him. I don't accept him as a sultan. Amir Khusro came and said, sir, Aulia is not well. Directly he cannot say, na? He said, sir, Aulia is not well. Sir. But Alauddin got the information from his spies. Aulia does not want to meet him. So Alauddin sends the second message. Sir, if you cannot come, I will come to meet you. Powerful people have a very good thing in them. They respect. Idiots don't understand respect. I told you the story of my driver yesterday. Idiots generally don't understand respect. Powerful people, they understand. Aulia got the message he wants to come and meet me. Aulia says there are 2 doors in my cottage. Khanka. Not cottage. Khanka. If he will enter from the first door, I will move out from the second door. I will not meet him. The entire subcontinent was ready to bow down in front of him. And a fakir? A fakir is refusing to meet him. That increased his blood pressure. See, why? Who is he? What is his power? Why he will not meet me? And it is said that possibly this led to paralytic attack to Alauddin Khilji. Paralytic attack. When he got paralytic attack, Malik Kafur, his paramour, his affair, his wife, started playing the game. Second setback. He had so much confidence on Malik Kafur. It is written in Jail Mehta that one day, in anger and helplessness, he cuts off and takes out the flesh from his hand. He was watching everything. The mischief done by Malik Kafur around. And then, as you some of you said that he was possibly given a slow poison. And when he died, Malik Kafur married Kamla Devi. A eunuch is marrying Kamla Devi. He gives the order to kill his son Mubarak Khalji. But then Mubarak Khalji won over the side of the assassins. The people who went to kill Mubarak Khalji was able to convince them. They returned back and killed Malik Kafur, and then he was succeeded by Mubarak Khalji. Mubarak Khalji, there is no need to leave him. I leave the matter about him. To write a short note. Mubarak Khalji was a young man. His father has built up a state on the basis of police power and pragmatism. His father, he was a young man. His father has built a state on two pillars: police power and pragmatism. His father has established a state on police power and pragmatism. This man was able to manage the things for some time. But then, slowly, the things started moving out of his control. And when the things moved out of his control, slowly, the things moved out of his control. And when the things moved out of his control, he was like Louis XV. कि राज्य चला जाए पर मस्ती न जाए. And then he got involved in luxury and enjoyment. And he also had a crush, Hassan. Like father, like son. His father was fond of Malik Kafur. He was fond of Hassan, a shepherd from Gujarat. Beautiful shepherd. He started coming naked in the court, Mubarak Khalji. He forgot all the royal decency. And this Hassan finally killed him and took the title of Nasiruddin Mahmud and declares himself as Sultan. Nasiruddin Mahmud, Indian Muslim from a lower caste. And this was not acceptable to the so-called original Muslims. He had to convert Indian Muslims, Saudis, they never consider Indians, Pakistani, Bangladeshi. Have you heard? They are giving citizenship to these people? No. America is giving, Germany is giving, France is giving. Saudi Arabia will never give परमानेंट सिटीजनशिप. हमारे दोस्त हैं दुबई में दानिश भाई, बचपन के हैं. आपने कहा सिटीजन लेके दिखा दो, सिर्फ मान ले ब्रदरहुड. नहीं नहीं, उनके अपने लॉज हैं ना, मॉर्निंग पटक के अपने लॉज हैं, उल्टी सीधी बस. जहां अपनी बात ना हो वहां उनके लॉज हैं. तभी तो गुलाम नबी आजाद साहब ने कहा कि मुझे फक्र है कि मैं हिंदुस्तानी मुसलमान. आज उन्होंने भी कहा, फारूक अब्दुल्ला साहब ने, डॉक्टर फारूक. बड़ी अजीब बात है, बड़ी अजीब बात है. He was a converted Indian Muslim from a lower caste. This was not acceptable to Central Asians. And then Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq Ghazi Malik takes the march towards Delhi. When Tughlaq reached Delhi, he was hiding in the royal garden, pleading, crying. He did not get support from anyone because Indians were not dominated in polity and administration. They took him out, they killed him. And from here starts a new dynasty, Tughlaq dynasty. Tughlaq. Tughlaq dynasty, Tughlaq. Ghiyasuddin Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Firuz Shah Tughlaq. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Domestic policy, foreign policy, welfare works, domestic policy, foreign policy, welfare works. First heading, domestic policies. Policies will depend upon what? Policy will depend upon what? Priority. And what is this priority? To control political unrest. After Alauddin Khilji. His priority was to control political unrest. So when you will see the points in his policy, just keep in mind. What was his priority? To control political unrest, which has started after the death of Alauddin Khilji. And but natural The second objective was to strengthen the Sultanate. First thing, under domestic policy, administrative reforms. Whenever there is a change in dynasty, which ancient Indian ruler gives the formula, to strengthen the position for a new ruler? Which ancient Indian ruler gives the formula to strengthen the position for a new ruler? चलो, फार्मूला। कौन सा प्राचीन काल का शासक है जो एक नए शासक को अपनी स्थिति मजबूत करने का सूत्र बताता है, फार्मूला बताता है? फार्मूला रुद्रदामन, ही इज आउटसाइडर. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq is an outsider. What was Rudradaman did? Welfare program, repair of Sudarsana Lake, religious appeasement and welfare. दो काम कर दो, मासस तुम्हारी तरफ, रिलीजियस पीपल तुम्हारी तरफ, तुम मजबूत हो गए. बस वही काम गियासुद्दीन तुगलक ने भी किया. अब यार एक फार्मूले को बार बार पढ़ाया जाएगा, फिर तो यार 4 साल लगेगा इसको पूरा करने में. एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव रिफॉर्म्स. फर्स्ट स्टेप, Quran was given acceptance in civil administration. See, Quran was given acceptance in civil administration. Ulemas were given preference in judiciary. Ulemas were given preference in judiciary. Governors were given strict orders to maintain law and order. Governors were given strict orders to maintain law and order and acceptance to the military structure of Alauddin Khilji. Acceptance to the military structure of Alauddin Khilji. Governors were given strict orders to maintain law and order. Governors were given strict orders to maintain law and order. Acceptance to the military structure of Alauddin Khilji. Second step, welfare work. Special emphasis on agriculture. Resettlement of devastated villages. Second, promotion to irrigation. Promotion to irrigation. Resettlement of devastated villages. Promotion to irrigation. Bringing uncultivated land under cultivation. Uncultivated land under cultivation. State help to the farmers. At the time of crisis or calamity. Fifth, रिलैक्सेशन इन लैंड रेवेन्यू। और क्या लोगे बताओ? और क्या लोगे बताओ? इंडिया इज एग्रीकल्चरल लैंड, फॉर्मूला है। इट्स अ फॉर्मूला फॉर अ न्यू रूलर। कन्विंस टू सेक्शन, religious section and common people. See, agriculture, welfare, resettlement of devastated villages, promotion to irrigation, uncultivated land under cultivation, bringing uncultivated land under cultivation, state help to the farmers at the time of crisis and calamities, relaxation in land revenue. His rule is the rule. His period is a period in Sultanate when state took minimum share from the farmers. Note it down. The state took minimum share from the farmers. Minimum. Note करना वहां से. Minimum share from the farmers. He not only satisfies common masses and priest. Second, B. Benevolent step towards nobles. Benevolent steps towards nobles. आम जनता के लिए तो किया ही. Benevolent steps towards nobles. He returns the property confiscated by Alauddin Khilji. Returns the properties confiscated by Alauddin Khilji. Returns the property. He returns the property confiscated by Alauddin Khilji. End of physical torture. To the nobles in the collection of money. End of physical torture to the nobles in collection of money. Re-establishment of Jagir system. Re-establishment of Jagir system. Shelter to Alai women. Shelter to Alai women. Alai. अलाउद्दीन के परिवार की जो औरतें थी. Shelter to Alai women. And in this way, Ghiyasuddin convinces the priest, the common people, and the nobles. Apart from this, the general works. See, general works. Improvement in transport and communication. Construction of bridges. Improvement in transport and communication. Construction of bridges. Promotion to sarais. And reconstruction of many forts. Welfare. So his welfare program targets common people, priestly class, nobility, and the general works for overall people. बस 3 आदमी का सपोर्ट मिल गया, हो गया ताकतवर। ये सीखना है। कल जब तुम पावर में आओगे ना, ये सीखना है। कल जब तुम पावर में आओगे तो ये सारे फॉर्मूले तुम्हें अप्लाई करने हैं। सेकंड, फॉरेन पॉलिसी। फॉरेन पॉलिसी successfully countering Mongol invasions. 22 बार हरा चुका था। Successful control on Mongol invasion. As the commander-in-chief of northwestern area, he has successfully defeated Mongols 22 times. Conquest of Bengal. खिलजी से बात किया था, इसने कब्जा कर लिया। Expansion. Promotion to the policy of expansion towards Deccan and South India, which was started by Mubarak Khalji. Promotion to the policy of promotion to the policy of expansion towards Deccan and South India, which was started by Mubarak Khalji. And from a state, Sultanate started turning into empire. Right as a note. From a state, Sultanate started turning into an empire. From a state, Sultanate started turning into an empire. So, while he was on Bengal campaign, Nasruddin Tughlaq, actually Nasruddin Mahmud, when he came into power after Mubarak Khalji, he distributed money to the people of Delhi so that he can get support. ऐसा नहीं कि आज मोदी जी 15 लाख बांट रहे हैं, या राहुल गांधी ने 7,500 सबको देने के लिए कहा था, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट भत्ता, सब बांटते हैं पैसा। मोदी जी से लोग मांग रहे हैं, मोदी जी से लोग मांग रहे हैं, पहले कोई मांगता नहीं था। If you see the condition of India in the past 20 years, it was moving towards hell. सिर्फ 20 साल, पिछले 20 साल में। और उसकी वजह यह थी कि एब्सेंस ऑफ स्ट्रॉन्ग रूलर। डॉक्टर सिंह तो बेचारे बहुत अच्छे आदमी, उनकी व्यक्तित्व पर तो कभी कोई सवाल ही नहीं उठा सकता। डॉक्टर सिंह, ही वाज इकोनॉमिस्ट एंड पर्सनालिटी तो बड़ी अजीब थी, पर वो खुद से काम कभी नहीं कर पाए। वो बेचारे खुद से काम कभी नहीं कर पाए। पता है, शोले में एक डायलॉग है, तुम्हें सुनाता हूं। वो डायलॉग जो है ना, वो मेरी जिंदगी का आधार है, मुझे बहुत पसंद है। सुनना गौर से सुनना। कानून की हिफाजत के लिए खतरे मोल लेता हूँ और तुम कानून तोड़ने के लिए। और दोनों ही कामों में बहादुरी की जरूरत होती है। हाँ, जरूरत होती है। वो बदमाश है, ये डायलॉग, लेकिन बहादुर है, खतरनाक है, इसलिए भी लड़ना चाहते हैं। बुरे मगर इंसान है। हमारे जाने बिना क्या वो वीडियो चली गई? अरे वो बदमाश है लेकिन बहादुर है, खतरनाक है इसलिए कि लड़ना जानते हैं, बुरे हैं मगर इंसान है। तुम्हें इस देश में रहना है ना, देखा ना, वो बदमाश है लेकिन बहादुर है। तुम्हें बदमाश बनना ही है इस देश में रहने के लिए, और लेकिन बहादुर। वो बदमाश है लेकिन बहादुर है, खतरनाक है इसलिए कि लड़ना जानते हैं, बुरे हैं मगर इंसान है। So when Nasruddin Mahmud became a king, he also wanted to win the support of the people. So he has distributed huge amount of money to the people, including Nizamuddin Aulia. So when he killed Nasruddin Mahmud, and he started reoccupying the areas, and he enters into Bengal and occupies Bengal, so he sends a message to all the nobles, to all the people who have got money from Nasruddin, कि बेटा return the money, पैसा वापस कर देना. The message was given to Nizamuddin Aulia also, कि return the money. Aulia was a saint. The day he got money, he distributed. So Aulia said कि I don't have any money. 2 लाख रुपया दिया था, 2 लाख टंका. 2 lakh tanka was a very big amount at that time. So Aulia said, I don't have. I have already distributed. And then Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq threatened Nizamuddin Aulia from Bengal. Ki the day I will reach Delhi, then you see what I will do to you. And Nizamuddin Aulia in return gave the answer, who knows? Who knows? Delhi दूरस्त. अभी दिल्ली बहुत दूर है बेटा, आओ तो. संतों के साथ खिलवाड़ मत कर. आज मुसलमान इसीलिए परेशान है. The major, most important reason that Muslims are suffering, they have lost saints in their community. अब यहाँ 2-4 सेंट निकल गया याश तो सबको मार डालोगे? 50,000 की गड्डी है तुम्हारे पास, उसमें 2 मिनट नकली निकल गए तो पूरी गड्डी चला दोगे? कि बाबा लोग बेवकूफ बनाते हैं. तुम बेवकूफ हो, बनाएगा कौन? अब मुझसे कोई कहे कि बेटा अपनी पत्नी छोड़ दो, धन मुझे दे दो, मैं तुम्हारी लाइफ में आनंद कर दूंगा, मैं तो काट के तुरंत ले आओ अपने घर. हमको बहुत बाबा लोग मिलते हैं. धन दान कर दो बेटा, दान कर दे, काय कर दे दान? हमें जहां देना होगा हम देंगे. और जब तुम लालच में किसी को कुछ देते हो, you went to a saint and the saint says कि बेटा you will qualify IS, 5 lakh 1 rupee you have to deposit. और तुम क्या डिपॉजिट कराए? उसने तुम्हारी लालच का फायदा उठाया, फिर तुम बाद में गाली देते हो उसे. Finally you are abusing him. You are punished, you are cheated because of your lust. Anyone who cheats you because of your lust. If you don't have, no one can cheat you. I met an astrologer in Chanakyapuri, and he said to me, कि Mr. Oja, I will tell you a jap, and if you do it, 19 you will be member of parliament. I said, Babaji, what will be the charge? He said, charge is not big, 11 lakh. मैंने कहा बाबाजी 22. But after election, one side my result will come, other side money will be to your ashram. If you have faith, you can play. And he said to me, it's a guarantee that you will get the ticket. 2019. And last time, although there was a scene of getting the ticket, last time the equation changed. Then I again called him. You were telling I will get the ticket, but I will not win. No. मैंने कहा बाबा जी हम दो चीज पे भरोसा करते हैं, एक गॉड पे और एक गन पे. तुम लूटे जाते हो तुम्हारी लस्ट की वजह से. Whenever you go to someone with your lust, तुम उससे सीखने आए हो, सीख लो, जाओ. क्यों मेरे पीछे पड़े हो यार? अवध ओझा सब पढ़ा दो, अवध ओझा सब पढ़ा दो. तुम्हारे पास दिमाग नहीं है, तुम मुर्दा हो, भिखमंगे हो. हम तो पढ़ाएंगे, हम तो सब पढ़ाएंगे, तुमसे पैसा दिया तो पढ़ाएंगे. अगर तुम, if you study and sit in the class, no teacher can befool you. संतों, priest and saint, priest will give you assurance. Saint will never give you assurance. That is why saints are not liked by everyone. पुरोहित से पूछो भगवान मिलेगा? अजी बिल्कुल मिलेगा. कहां मिलेगा? अरे मीरा को मिला था, तो तुमको काहे नहीं मिला अब तक? तुम तो दिन भर मंदिर में रहते हो, दिन भर मस्जिद में रहते हो, तुमको काहे नहीं मिला? पागलों की तरह टहल लो, इतना ऊपर पैजामा पहन उठाए. जब इतना पैजामा उठाने से अल्लाह मिलता तो नंगे हो जाओ. नहीं, अरे ऐसी बात नहीं. अरे ऐसी कैसी बात नहीं. यहाँ चंदन लगाए हो पूरा, यहाँ चंदन लगाए हो पूरा बॉडी में. मैं तो भभूत में लोटो ना जाके. गो एंड लाई डाउन. ड्रामेबाजी की बातें मत करो. हाँ, बट प्रीस्ट आर अवर नेसेसिटी. दिस आई एम सेइंग टू यू. आउटसाइड वी विल नॉट टॉक. वो हमारी जरूरत है, हम उन्हें हटा नहीं सकते. दे आर अवर नेसेसिटी. बिफोर he would return Delhi, Ghiyasuddin, he was returning back from Bengal. He reaches Allahabad. There a party was organized in his farewell party. The stage was prepared to expose his achievements, etc., etc. And there, while the party was going on, the main pavilion fell. And Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq died. He failed to reach Delhi. And this prepared the ground for the emergence of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Intellectual, literate, but ill-fated. Ill-fated, inverted comma. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. See, inverted comma. We don't use all these things in history. He has failed, there is a reason. Intellectual, literate. पढ़ोगे, लिखोगे, बनोगे नवाब, भीख मांगोगे, कुछ नहीं होगा. और हिंदुस्तान में पढ़ोगे तो चपरासी बनोगे और क्लर्क बनोगे. बहुत अच्छे क्लर्क भी बन सकते हो, आईएएस भी बन सकते हो. क्लर्क से काम थोड़ी है. Sir, I have seen, if you belong to Manpuri, ETA, go and see the condition of officers. I have seen during अब मैं क्या कहूं? मतलब मेनी टाइम्स आई गेट द कॉल फ्रॉम दीज ऑफिसर्स, सर वो नेताजी आए थे, हमको डांट रहे थे सर। डीएम है डिस्ट्रिक्ट के, डीएम, सर माय बीपी इज नॉट नॉर्मल सर, आई वांट टू गो बैक टू कर्नाटका सर। यूपी वाले तो संभाल लेते, बिहार वाले, लेकिन ये बाकी स्टेट वाले आते हैं ना, इनके लिए बड़ी दिक्कत हो जाती। सर प्लीज हेल्प मी सर, माय बीपी इज 180 एंड 120। हम कहा निकले तुम? बलिया, गोरखपुर, गोरखपुर, यूपी में आईएएस की नौकरी करना, वो भी प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन में, और प्रेजेंट में तो तब भी ठीक है। So we never use fate and ill fate and all those things in history, but we have to discuss the reasons why he failed. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. तो हम क्या क्या डिस्कस करेंगे? Now to prepare Muhammad bin Tughlaq, there is no government record of his time. There is no government record of his time. Then how will prepare his history? So there is no official record of his time. So how we will create a history of his time? Because it's very sensitive history. So his autobiography. First source is his autobiography, but it is insufficient. अब जिसने खुद सी लिखा हो, तो but naturally he will not discuss the things from all the aspects. So what is the second source? Barni ibn Battuta Farishta. Barni ibn Battuta Farishta Isami also. Farishta and Isami. They give certain hints. Certain hints. But they all are biased. They all are biased, all.